Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can add posts in OnlyFans. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in OnlyFans, and right in the third button is going to be plus, the create, and you can like simply post like, I don't know, picture or poll. So hey there everybody, and you like add media here, and you can add media like whatever, and you can also add a poll. So you just post it, and voila, here we got it. So if you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye.